Back in 1903, having a woman run a manufacturing company was unheard of. But that's exactly what Adele Holman did when she founded what became Pony Jorgensen. She partnered with Hans Jorgensen, a Danish cabinet maker, and Marcus Russ, a tool salesman. It was an unlikely combination at the time, but it laid the foundation for the high-quality clamps so many woodworkers, craftsmen, and makers have come to rely on today. At Pony Jorgensen, clamps without compromise isn't just something we say. Our focus on built-to-last clamps and vices that can be handed down through generations is what continues to fuel this iconic brand nearly 120 years later.
Introducing the professional pipe clamp fixture from Pony Jorgensen. Improving upon the tried and true design of our classic pipe clamp fixture, these clamps feature a wider and taller stance for improved stability, a longer Acme threaded screw for increased clamping reach, and a built-in clamp hanger for convenient storage. They are designed for use with 3/4 inch pipe and provide a clamping face of 1 3/4 inches. The clamp bodies are constructed from cast iron for exceptional strength and durability, and the multiple disc clutch allows for excellent grip and infinite adjustability at any point along the pipe. Pony Jorgensen, clamps without compromise.
Brush off that sawdust. It's time for Anatomy of a Clamp. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at our classic Pony pipe clamp fixtures. These fixtures turn ordinary 3/4 inch threaded pipes into extraordinary clamps. The strong, durable castings have a wide clamping face, and our original multiple disc clutch design provides some serious clamping oomph. Just twist the crank handle and let the Acme threaded screw do the work. And the best part? They can be used with any length pipe. So if you can find the longest pipe in the world, you can make the longest clamp in the world. It all adds up to a clamp that gives you more versatility than ever before. Because we don't compromise on our clamps, and you don't compromise on your work.
Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and benefits of the new Easy Hold Heavy Duty Clamp. The Jorgensen Heavy Duty Easy Hold clamps are perfect for both casual and professional woodworkers. The Easy Hold clamps feature a comfortable grip, a jaw reach of 3 5/8 inches, protective jaw pads, and a quick release lever. Clamping pressure can be applied with one hand by squeezing the trigger. Pressure can be easily released by pressing the quick release lever. This clamp has a clamping force of up to 600 pounds. 2 trigger clamps can be joined together by removing the heads, flipping them over, and sliding their interlocking dovetail attachments together. This will add an extra 6 inches to the combined length of your 2 clamps. A single clamp can also be turned into a spreader by removing the head and attaching it to the other side of the clamp. When you buy 2 Easy Hold clamps, you're actually getting a 3rd larger clamp and 2 spreaders. The Jorgensen trigger clamps are available in 12-inch, 24-inch, and 36-inch sizes. The Jorgensen trigger clamps are perfect for heavy-duty clamping projects up to 600 pounds. Thank you for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen Workshop.
Don't let the size fool you. The Pony 3700 LD light duty bar clamp is a workhorse for its size and design. Used by do-it-yourselfers, hobbyists, woodworkers, metalworkers, and professional tradespeople of all types. The design allows the sliding head to hold securely at any point along the bar to guarantee no slipping. The sliding head is threaded to accommodate the easy grip handle, screw, and swivel pad. All adjustments are made with the movable sliding head, making this style fast and easy to open and close and perfect for use in confined spaces. Protective pads are made of thick, durable plastic to ensure your work is protected. The clamps rest parallel to your work surface for easy work placement and adjustment. The light-duty bar clamp has a 2-inch reach, 4, 6, 8, and 12-inch opening capacity, and a 300-pound test load limit. Pony also offered these clamps in medium and heavy-duty styles with opening capacities from 6 inches to 36 inches and test load limits from 600 pounds to 1,000 pounds.
Step away from the workbench. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the one-of-a-kind Jorgensen Easy Hold bar clamp. Some say you can't clamp with one hand. Well, they're wrong. Easy Hold's patented design with a trigger and quick release lever allows for speedy one-handed clamping. The comfortable handles make it easy to get a grip. Deep reach pads help ensure your projects stay protected. And this clamp has another trick up its sleeve. Reverse the head to make a spreader or join two together and bam! You have a super clamp. It all adds up to a clamp that makes it easier than ever to keep things together. Because we don't compromise on our clamps, and you don't compromise on your work. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the Pony Rapid Acting Band Clamp. When you have an oddly shaped project, reach for one of these strapping clamps. Durable steel levers let you adjust the band in a flash. Adjustable plastic jaws help protect your work. And once the band is secure, simply twist the Acme threaded screw to give your projects a soft, snug embrace or a bone-crushing bear hug. With more than 15 feet of high-strength nylon band, you'll have no problem clamping all sorts of oddly shaped stuff. It all adds up to a clamp that'll give you the perfect squeeze for your project's needs. Because we don't compromise on our clamps, and you don't compromise on your work. Put the wood glue down. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at our seriously strong Jorgensen steel bar clamp. The bar is made with high-carbon, rust-resistant steel for a whopping 100,000 pounds per square inch of tensile strength, which means it ain't bending. Our cast iron heads are powder-coated for protection, so feel free to rough them up a little. The fast-acting sliding head accommodates a cold-drawn steel screw. Is it Acme threaded? You bet. And our multiple disc clutch design gives you a great hold anywhere along the bar. It all adds up to a bar clamp that'll last as long as the pieces you craft. Because we don't compromise on our clamps, and you don't compromise on your work. Visit
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.